Toyotero in the house. Toyotero at Old School Yotas. And we got one more video. I think we're gonna crank up this car right now. Let's do it. So we got everything back in place. We got a 2x4 holding the airflow meter because we don't have the parts that go there. So we're gonna crank this little baby up. Let's see how it feels. Oh lordy, let's get in this beast. Everything's still taken apart, as you can see. Let's crank it up. Let's see what's up. All right. That's what I like. All right, well, she's running. Small video. Toyotero says goodbye.